Are you looking for the best laptop stands? In this video we will look at some of the best laptop stands on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 12 South Curved Laptop Stand for MacBook. It is one of the most common reasons for which complaints about neck and shoulder strain are rising today. We have brought this best laptop stand accessory for you so that you won't have to look down at the screen while working on your MacBook. A laptop stand is a perfect option for dual-screen laptops. It helps the user to improve the working posture while using the laptop. 12 South Curved Stand is the best laptop stand that is exclusively created for MacBooks. It sports a sleek-looking and low-profile design and takes minimum space. This laptop stand has a modern aluminum design that makes it look great. At the same time, it will improve the airflow for your MacBook. 12 South Curved Stand is the best laptop stand for MacBooks, and we highly recommend it. This is one of the best MacBook Pro accessories hands down. Number 2. Pannon Laptop and Notebook Stand. This ergonomic Pannon laptop and notebook stand comes with an adjustable height and effective cooling design. Made from aluminum, this stand is quite sturdy. The material used ensures that heat is absorbed and vented easily, preventing any overheating issues for your laptop. Due to these features, the Pannon laptop stand is considered a user-friendly stand. This laptop stand comes with adjustable height and tilt settings to reduce muscle strain when sitting or standing up. This stand is also quite convenient if you're making use of an additional screen. The adjustable height and tilt ensure you can customize your office to best suit your needs. So if you're looking for a versatile and reliable laptop stand, look no further. Number 3. Rain Design iLevel 2. From the outside, the simple design of the iLevel 2 from Rain Design isn't overly exciting, although it does hide some surprisingly useful customization options. A slider at the bottom of the stand controls the height as well as the tilt of the back support up and down to give you different angles to find the perfect position for you. It helps the laptop to escape the heat and cool through its tilt design. It is also suitable for external keyboards and mouse. The lower base has rubber pads attached to protect your desk from damage or sliding around uncontrollably. With its slim design, it also helps to reduce the heat that your laptop generates. Number 4. Boyata Stand. Made from aluminum, the Boyata Stand has a minimalized design with a modern feel. The design of the stand has many openings to help your laptop cool down. The stand's adjustable mechanism allows you to set the laptop in a multitude of positions with ease. Silicone pads on the base provide anti-slip protection. Compatible with laptops up to 17 inches, the manufacturer also includes a 1-year warranty in case anything happens to it. Number 5. Readaeer Laptop Computer Desk. For some, a laptop stand needs to be more than just something that holds their computer. The laptop computer desk from Readaeer offers users a little bit of everything. Able to hold either a 15 or 16-inch laptop, 2 cooling fans located in the middle of the surface help reduce heat. A side surface provides you an area for a mouse or touchpad. The only major downside with this stand is its size, which is not travel-friendly. Without any rubberized protection on the legs of the stand, you may want to purchase a mat to protect your desk.